Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on one hand mode on your Vivo phones. It's super easy and super useful. So you can just browse your any applications with one hand by using this method. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To enable the one hand mode on your Vivo phones, or to turn on the one hand mode on Vivo phones, just go inside the setting option first. So it's actually so useful. So just swipe down and just want to find the shortcuts and accessibility on the bottom section. Just click this. Then here you just need to just swipe down to the bottom and you can find an option called one-handed. Click this, and here you will see a preview. So you just want to access the mini screen using the gestures. You should turn this on. So there will be a preview on the top. So click this, and then I'm just going to show this is the gestures. So you will have a one hand mode like this. So you can simply browse whatever that you just needed in one hand mode. If you are using your mobile phone while eating, if your phone is so bigger or larger, you can just use it. So there's gestures to close and also to activate this, and you can just enlarge your screen and double tap and swipe the same option to swipe to close. And you can see on the top there is a X mark on the top to close, and you here to maximize the screen size. So this is so useful for a lot of peoples. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.